I get to marry my best friend in a few hours.
Really soon.
Finally.
So excited. On a beautiful
It's our wedding day, and it's beautiful out. It is February 5th, 2025. It's a 2525, and it is 59 degrees. A beautiful, perfect day. We're getting married.
Shall we? Everybody's all set.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, we are gathered here together in the face of this company to join together this man and this woman in matrimony in accordance with the law, each to pledge their faith, love, and affections, agreeing to meet the responsibilities of life united, and life united as one person. Marriage is a life decision, which means it's the prime concern of your lives. It's a supreme sharing of experiences and a lifelong adventure. Your relationship has grown from friendship into love, and now marriage, which begins when two people join to form a unity of souls looking in the same direction. Love is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your partner as about your own. In marriage, whatever trials or suffering you encounter, you remain true. Burdens are lighter because you divide them. Joys are more intense because you share them. May this love you share be the foundation for a truly happy home, providing strength and security to extend to your family and friends. So Jeremiah and Julie, as you prepare to pledge your vows to each other, let me remind you that a marriage made in heaven is a union of two lives, two hearts that beat as one. So a husband and wife should bear each other's burdens, as well as share each other's joys. Remember, you'll have to cultivate the art of marriage, and that you should be considerate, loving, and tender-hearted, upholding each other in love. So do you, Jeremiah, take this woman to be your lawful, wedded wife, and you promise that you will love, honor, and cherish her in sickness and in health, in prosperity or adversity, for better or worse, and forsake all others, and cleave only unto her so long as you both shall live?
I do.
And you, Julie, take this man to be your lawful, wedded husband, and you promise that you will love, honor, and cherish him in sickness and in health, in prosperity or adversity, for better or worse, and forsake all others and cleave only unto him so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Place that on the ring finger of her hand. Hold on to her hand in the ring and repeat after me. With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I do wed.
I, Jeremiah, take thee, Julie,
I, Jeremiah, take you, Julie,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward.
from this day forward.
I promise to give you
I promise to give you
the best of myself,
the best of myself,
and to ask of you
and ask of you
no more than you can give.
no more than you can give.
I will accept you the way you are,
I will accept you the way you are,
with your own interests and needs,
with your own interests and needs,
and to realize that those
to realize that those
are sometimes different,
are sometimes different,
but no less important than my own.
no less important than my own.
I promise to share with you
I promise to share with you
my time and my close attention,
my time and close attention,
and to bring joy and strength
to bring joy and strength
and love to our
and
relationship.
love to our relationship.
You repeating after me, please. With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I do wed.
I, Julie, take thee, Jeremiah,
I, Julie, take the Jeremiah
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward.
from this day forward.
I promise to give you
I promise to give you
the best of myself,
the best of myself,
and to ask of you
and to ask of you
no more than you can give.
no more than you can give.
I will accept you the way you are,
I will accept you the way you are,
with your own interests and needs,
with your own interests and needs,
and to realize that those
and to realize that those
are sometimes different,
are sometimes different,
but no less important than my own.
but no less important than my own.
I promise to share with you
I promise to share with you
my time and my close attention,
my time and my close attention,
and to bring joy and strength
and to bring joy and strength
and love to our relationship.
and love to our relationship.
If you'd hold each other's hands. And those rings are circles without end, and having been placed there with mutual consent, become symbols you've consented to wedlock, have pledged your faith and affection to each other, and may that faith, love, and affection be as endless as the circles of those two rings. Now let me speak to your hearts. I charge you both, as you hope for happiness in your married life, to be true to these vows you've made to each other here today. On each and every anniversary that you celebrate as husband and wife, let it be a day not only to rejoice in the union you've entered into, but also a day to reflect on the commitments you've made to each other here today. With your marriage from this day forward to begin life anew with larger responsibilities. So now by the virtue of the authority vested me as a judge in the state of Arizona, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and may God truly bless your marriage. You may kiss the bride, Jeremiah. Congratulations.
Yay.
All right, and an extra one too. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Man,
much.
Congratulations, just beautiful. Thank you. Love you all.
I never thought that you would be the one to hold my heart, but you came around and you knocked me off the ground from the start. You put your arms around me, and I believe that it's easier for you to let me go. You put your arms around me and I'm home.
You stole the icing from the bottom of my brownie. Yeah, that's mine.